welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making an Egg Nog Latte using my Keurig K-Cafe maker. This latte is delicious and it's easy to make. The only thing I'm using is some Starbucks K-Cups and my favorite eggnog, which is a vanilla spice eggnog. First I'm going to froth my eggnog in the attached frother. Inside the frothing cup there are two measuring points. The first point is a cappuccino point and then the second is a latte point. And since I'm making a latte, I'm going to pour enough for a latte and then I'm going to start frothing. So while the eggnog is frothing, I'm going to go ahead and start brewing my coffee. And I'm going to use the latte / cappuccino button because the coffee brews as a shot. And it's almost as strong as an espresso. I typically run my K-cup in the machine twice so that way I can go ahead and get 2 shots of espresso. As I started to brew my second shot, I realized I pressed the cold button on the frother. So instead of a hot latte, I'm going to have to do an iced latte. Well, I actually prefer iced coffee anyway, but I was thinking since the weather is cooling down, it'd been nice to enjoy a hot cup of coffee, but it ain't happening today. So let me break out this ice, and I'm going to brew this last shot over some ice. Thank goodness I use an Italian roast, because brewing these shots over ice, it tends to water down your latte. And one thing that I cannot stand is a watery latte, so I'm thanking the coffee gods right now for Italian roast. Yes, come through Italian roast. My shots and eggnog are ready. I'm just going to go ahead and pour the eggnog froth over my coffee and add the second shot. I didn't add any additional sweetener or sugar just because the eggnog is already extremely sweet. But if you try this latte and you want to add additional sweeteners or additional add-ins, I'm sure it'll be just as good. Feel free to try it, but I just like it just like this. A quick and easy eggnog latte just in time for the holiday season. If you tried this latte, let me know how it came out in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.